Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a factory reset on an HME base station. This includes two models, HME Base 6100 and Base 6200. So this will be for both models. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to hit Menu, and then you hit More, and then you go to Installer Setup, enter the password, which is 1124, or you could also do B9. So let's do B9. B9. Every time when you want to move forward, you press this button to move to the next place, and these two buttons will change between alphabets and numeric values. Click Continue, and then click Continue again, More again, and Restore Factory Defaults. Click here, and then click Default again. Wait for the unit to restart. It will take a minute to restart, and once it's done, you will be good to go. So now it's restarting. Now you would need to do factory reset sometimes when things aren't working correctly. Doing a factory reset will not delete the headsets that are registered. Now once you're done, you click back, all the way to get back to the main menu. That's how you do a factory reset. Factory reset is important if certain things aren't working correctly, if there's conflict with different type of settings. It will take everything to the default settings. Alright, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.